practice 16. Let's review 16 today. 16 is a two-digit number. It starts with a 1, that's 10, and we add 6 more. 6 plus 10 is 16. Remember, a 16 has a 1 digit, and we start at the top for the number 6, and you slide down, bump the bottom line, and curve around. 16. Let's write 16. Most of the letters in 16 are lowercase letters that fall in the grass. If you notice, 16 has the word 6 in it. S-I-X. 6. You see it right there, 6. And then our 10 word that means 10, which is teen. 16, which means 10 plus 6. And we have T-E-E-N again, teen. Okay, let's try to write 16 here. I make an S, which is a curve, bump the bottom line. And I stays in the grass, and X stays in the grass. That's the number word 6. And then we add the word teen. 16. T, E, E. These are hard to make with my computer pen. And an N. 16. Today we will review how to find and hunt for 16. We're going to look for 16s today. 16. Here we go. 10, 16. Right off the bat, we found one. 9, 8, 13. 9, 25, 2. 16. 26, 4. 21, 5, 16. 12, 3, 25. 3, 9, 5. 16. 3, 16. 0, 5, 8. 16. 24, 3, 0. 16. 1, 2. 3, 0, 29. 16. 3, 7, 19. 8, 0, 3, 16. Okay, great job naming and recalling the names of these numbers and being able to recognize them. Good for you. Now we're going to start the challenge part of our math activity today. We are going to make a number page for 16. You are going to be challenged to draw 16 squares on this turtle, okay? So you'll have to decide how to divide up the turtle into 16 different little squares, okay? And squares are supposed to be equal in all the sides. When you make a square, they're supposed to have the same size sides. It's like a tongue twister. That's going to be kind of challenging, but you can try to do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I just made 5 squares here. And remember, we're just trying our best to make this look like a square. All 4 of the sides are the same. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 squares so far. So then we could add 3 more squares on this side. That will make 13 squares. And we could add 3 more squares on this side, and that would make 16 squares. So try your best to make your squares so that all the sides are equal. Squares have equal sides, and you're challenged to make 16 equal squares on your page today. Okay. All right, let's go for the tally marks here. And we're going to start with 16 tally marks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus one more is 16. So we have 3 whole sets of 5, 10, 15, plus one more is the number 16. And that is what you were challenged with today, how to make the number 16. Let's start with 20. Let's say I have 20 cookies in my kitchen on the plate, 20 cookies. And Patrick goes in there and he's hungry and he eats 4 of the cookies. So he eats 4 of the cookies. That's going to leave me with 16 cookies left. So one way to do subtraction is to start with the big number, 20, and count backwards down the number line. So if I start at 20, I can go 19, 18, 17, 16. So if I count back 4 spots on the number line, I end up at 16. Okay, so 20 minus 4 equals 16. So I'm challenging you today to try to come up with some number problems that might include subtraction. If I want to do an addition problem, I'm going to do another fun one that I love because it's a double fact. A doubles fact, which means I'm doubling the number 8. 8 is great. If I double 8, I get 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. And if I did that with dice, friends, if I did that with dice, I could make 4 dice, okay? And I could show you the doubles here so that I could make 8 and then another 8. And it is actually almost like multiplication. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whole 4s is 16 as well. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. Or 8 plus 8. Okay, so lots of ways to challenge yourself today with making the number 6. The value today is 16.